Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix this problem that you might be having Shopify if your shop is saying opening soon. This is a very simple thing to fix, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, as you can see, this is a very easy problem to fix that a lot of people are encountering. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website and log into your account where your store is. So after logging into your account, and you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with managing your store. As you can see, you can add your products. Here we can see all the sections we can access, such as orders and so on. And now we can go ahead and get started with improving our shop. And what we want to fix is this problem right here. People cannot see our shop because it says opening soon. So guys, as you can see in here, this thread on the official community of Shopify, somebody is asking the same thing, and here is the answer of what we have to do. So basically you have to disable the password protection because currently your site is password protected and is not up for online. It is only for preview by yourself and people that have a password. What you want to do is to go ahead into the Shopify admin page, go to the online store section and click preferences. There you want to go ahead and check the password protection area and uncheck enable password. So we want to go ahead and find online store right here. So as you can see, here is our online store, and here we can go ahead and select preferences. So here is the preferences option. As you can see, after that, go to the password protection area that you can find right here, and there you want to go ahead and enable this section so that everybody will be able to access your store. So you will need to have a premium plan for your store to go live, and this is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.